Hi, this is Francis Massen speaking to you from the Computarium. I just finished restoring two Burroughs printing calculators at Lister machines from the P category of Burroughs machines. This is a hand-cranked only machine, so it's a mechanical machine, and this is the same type driven by an electrical engine. This machine, according to this list, is from 1973 because its serial number is P685. And this one, the electrical one, is from the following year. Its serial is P16619. So both machines are about 70 years old, close to 70 years old. This has been denoted by Marcel Baumann. It was in a very poor shape with much lint and dirt inside. Several keys were missing or wrong, but curiously after cleaning, after changing the ribbon, it works without any fault. This one, the electrical engine, is in better shape, but you have to be careful. It's a 110 VAC voltage machine, so you need a transformer to operate it. So let's just make a short example of the first one. Just a simple addition of 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And we add 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, and so on. What you see, both of these machines are of the crank and pinion type, in German Zahnstangenmaschine. And they print the result on a paper type. The keys have several functions. There is a subtraction key, there is a general total with memory clear key, and there is a subtotal key, which here is a lozenge, and on the other one it's a letter S, and a command key just to give a command. And here you have a repetition key. When it's pushed down, the keys remain in their position, so that's handy to make multiplication by repeating an addition. Okay, let's make a short test to verify the operation of the machine. We will enter this number 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 9. See that we have left aside the number 8. So I make a general reset. We enter the repeating key to keep the number, and I will enter the number 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we will add that number 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now let's make the general total. So I have to release the key. We are making a total, and the result should be only once, and you see that's correct. Okay. You also see that I have replaced the 11mm ribbon by a more standard 13mm black and white ribbon that you can still buy today, but it prints fine on the upper part of the black, on the upper black part. So this is really a nice machine which works flawlessly, and inside it has no rust, no bad springs and so on. It's very something like a gem. Only problem, the S key for the subtotal has been broken and it must be fixed around, so probably we will make a replacement with a 3D printer. So, two nice machines from the Burroughs period of the 50s. Thank you for your attention.